say that I'd like to welcome each one of you for our half.
Fegi ya KCB ni irekereirie maumirira mao ma kiwonjoria gwa kahinda ka mieri 6 metuku kuria mathondekete faida ya ciringi bilioni 12.7 thutha wa gutinio magoti uria ni wongerereku wa gicunji kia 5 hari igana kahinda-ini ta gaka mwaka mwetuku.
Remain strong. We remain a number one bank, whether you look at it from an asset point of view, whether from a customer deposit point, whether you see it from an investment, from a shareholder capital we have, or even in terms of total advances on a year-on-year basis.
You can see the growth in mobile loans that have been advanced from just under 20 billion to over 100 billion quarter on quarter.
Hari wonjorithia wa fegi no gacunji ka 96 hari igana kaumanite na wonjorithia kugerera mitambo ya thimu.
Our channels were contributing about 87% of all transactions. That has grown to 96%. So only 4% of our transactions are actually now being done in the branch.
Ariguo kambuni no nihitukitie uheani wa marihi ma dividends ma muigana wa ciringi 1 o share mbeca iria ikurihwo muira wa mweri wa 11 mwaka uyu.
Board met yesterday. They recommended that we pay an interim dividend of $1, which is what we have been doing the last 2-3 years. So that will be paid up on or before 15th of November.
So in terms of the ambitions that we see, those ambitions remain the right ones. We've remained resilient in our business across our teams, and it's how much progress we are making in the last quarter.
Utonga wa fegi no rugamirire bilioni 746 ifuku-ini ria uria ngombo rigithii na mbere kwararama. Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, Njutikaga Njuguna Wang'ang'a.